Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, meet again with me Asrofi. Here, I will compare two waterfalls that are quite famous in my city, namely the Dolo Waterfall and Irenggolo Waterfall. Waterfalls are one of the most popular tourist attractions, especially for those who like to be in nature. Waterfall is a very suitable place to visit. In Kediri itself, there are many waterfalls that have their own characteristics. One of the most famous is the Dolo Waterfall. But did you know that under Dolo Waterfall, there are other waterfalls that are no less beautiful? Yes, the waterfall is named Irenggolo. So, which one is worth it to visit? Let's see. First, let's talk about the location. Dolo Waterfall is a waterfall in Kediri, which is included in the Besuki tourist area, a tourist area that has a beautiful natural panorama, a typical view of the slopes of Mount Willis. The distance of Dolo Waterfall from Kediri is about 30 kilometers, with an average travel time of 1 hour. Trekking to the main location of Dolo Waterfall is quite far, but the path is around in the form of steps made of cement, and in several places, the layers of the footrest are neatly arranged with facing stones. Meanwhile, Irenggolo Waterfall has the same location in the Besuki tourist area, but is closer than Dolo Waterfall. From the city center of Kediri, the distance that needs to be covered is about 26 kilometers by trekking, which is not too far from the parking lot. Second, let's talk about the view. Both have a beautiful natural panorama, a typical view of the slopes of Mount Willis. The height of Dolo Waterfall is around 90 to 125 meters. Dolo Waterfall has an exotic natural panorama. Of course, the main reason is that it is on the slope of Mount Willis. If you arrive at the Besuki tourist area in the morning, then you can not only enjoy the beautiful natural panorama of the mountains and thick trees, you will also see the fog slowly rising and then slowly disappearing as the sun shines. The Irenggolo Waterfall also has a view that is no less beautiful than the Dolo Waterfall. Irenggolo Waterfall has a height of about 80 meters. Meanwhile, the slope is estimated at 45 degrees. The rocks where the waterfall flows have a unique shape similar to the steps. Around the location of the waterfall, there are many Arabica coffee plants belonging to local farmers, which add to the beauty of this tourist area. And the last is about the facilities. The facilities in the Dolo Waterfall area are sufficient to support for the convenience of visiting visitors. It is even suitable as an educational natural tourist destination for families. Some of the facilities in the tourist attraction are a large parking area, toilets, a prayer room, a row of restaurants or canteens, and a children's play area. Meanwhile, the Irenggolo waterfall area has a number of facilities such as toilets, a children's playground, a flying fox, and a swimming pool. In my opinion, both have their own characteristics that make them worth it to visit. Dolo Waterfall is very beautiful because it is a tall and beautiful waterfall, but the path going down to the waterfall is quite far. Meanwhile, the path to Irenggolo Waterfall is easy and not too far, with waterfalls that tend to be calm and low. So, which waterfall do you want to go